Okay. Okay, so to make things quicker, this is the very first talk. Linux, the 20th anniversary. 咁 Linux 咧已經係進入第20年啦。咁我哋就係啦。咁我哋會講下佢究竟係咪成功啦？究竟點解會成功啦？同埋點解你唔好驚呢樣嘢？So it's about whether Linux is successful and why is Linux become successful and why you should not fear about this phenomenon. Okay, so there are many statistics about the growth of Linux on the web. 咁喺網上面其實都好多資料，一陣間都會講少少嚟到講話究竟有好多數字講到 Linux 好犀利嘅。咁但係咧，其實最重要嗰樣，我覺得可以顯示到就係你嘅敵人點樣講你 ，how your enemy talks about you. Okay, so that's the video. Okay, let's start from the very beginning. 係啦，咁就。Okay, so everyone on the web said this video was made by Microsoft, and it's all very happy. But actually, the important thing is what happens before. That actually Microsoft claimed that Linux is un-American, is intellectual property destroyer and cancer. 咁即係其實咧頭先嗰個影片好似好得意好 Q 咁啦，咁但係咧其實 Microsoft 咧就冇咁開心嘅，其實佢之前曾經講過呢隻咩咧，就即係完全唔係美國人做嘅嘢啦，咁係呢個知識產權嘅破壞者啦，同埋呢個嘅癌症嚟嘅係一個係啦，咁直情係講緊咩咧？咁咧就原文咧就講就係呢個 open source 就呢個開源軟件咧就係一個。知識產權嘅破壞者，因為咧所有嘢即係一黐咗落去咧，咁咧就會一定要開放出嚟㗎啦。咁佢講話，咁呢個微軟嘅高層就講話，我係美國人，我相信美國嘅做法。咁其實即係講緊咩？其實就係想暗指 Linux 係一啲共產黨做嘅嘢，諸如此類咁嘅咁其實。咁另外一個講法咧就係 cancer 好似。癌症咁會係咁即係傳播啊，令到咧呢個知識產權呢個系統都係當然無存啊，諸如此類咁。咁呢啲咧就係佢哋好嚴重嘅指控。咁但係頭先嗰個嘅video 咧就係完全係冇講到即係呢啲咁嘅指控嘅。So these are the original words from the high-abouts of Microsoft, but they never mentioned that in the previous Cube video. So I have to say something a bit better about this because Microsoft actually have an open source portal on their website, and also they start to contribute to the Linux kernel. They actually contribute more than Canonical, but they still try to use patent to obtain money from every Android machine that's been sold. 咁其實 Microsoft 咧近年係好咗嘅。咁近年點解好咗咧？咁當然就因為 Linux 越嚟越強大啦，咁佢哋都有一個 open source 嘅 portal 啦，咁同埋咧佢哋都開始嚟到去即係擺啲 source code 入去 kernel 入邊啦。咁因為佢哋個 virtual machine 有陣時啲 啲人攞咗 Microsoft Kernel Machine嚟行 Linux 咁所以咧要改善下佢啦。咁但係 Microsoft 咧，譬如其中一樣嘢就用 patent 嚟告一啲 Android 嘅生產商啦，嚟再收錢嘅，係啦。So why I point this all out? Because it is a great example to demonstrate that at the beginning they ignore Linux and then they laugh at them and then Microsoft fight them and then whether Linux is going to win a big way we still have to say, but it is obviously that Linux is successful. 咁咧就呢個英文咧其實咧就有好多人話唔同嘅出處啦。咁有人就話呢個甘地講嘅，一開手咧其實你嘅敵人咧就唔理你，跟住就要笑你，跟住咧就你即係呢個鬥爭嚟打你，咁最後咧打你都冇用啦，因為你贏咗啦。咁所以咧就呢個就係 Microsoft 嘅做法啦，開手又要係落佢啊，跟住咧而家又要扮 friend 啦。咁因為咧 Linux 真正係成功咗啦，係啦。Okay, so next topic. What book changes your life? 有冇一本書喺你生命入邊咧係影響你好深嘅咧？咁咧就有一個人咧，佢係覺得呢本書咧係影響好深嘅，一本電腦書講呢個 Unix 嘅 operating system. So there is at least one person on the earth that find this book life-changing. It's a book about the Unix operating system. And who is this guy? Linus Torvalds. So this guy actually, when he entered into an undergraduate computer course, got that book and then find it very interesting, and he bought the operating system that come with the book, Minix, and then start his journey. 係啦，咁 Linux 咧，Linus Torvalds 其實佢咧就喺芬蘭嗰邊咧嚟讀大學啦。咁讀大學嗰陣時咧就發現啊有本咁好嘅書係講一個電腦嘅系統嘅喎，咁於是攞咗嚟讀啦。咁咧就 but so he start with a really small project. He actually want to improve a terminal that is a program to connect to the mainframe computer back in the main campus. And then he find that it's a bit too easy to write such a thing, so he start to not use the libraries that's available in the C programming language, but he write his own library and interact with the BIOS. And then he also wrote a routine to control and read and write from the disk drive, and he released that in 92. 咁Linus Torvalds 其實佢想寫一個都幾簡單嘅 program， 係一個 terminal program 啦，但係佢就想挑戰下自己，咁於是咧佢就唔用啲 C library， 佢就直接咧就寫啲 program 就去同個 BIOS 嚟傾偈啦。咁於是咧咁佢仲寫埋啲一個distro 即係啲一個 fat system 嘅 driver 啦。咁跟住咧就將佢放咗上網啦。But this is quite amazing that actually Linus Torvalds is really a very beginner, but his project won over BSD and GNU. So what's that? So GNU is actually a free software project by the time that want to create an operating system, and then but they lack the kernel. So Linus Torvalds project actually fits in this hole. And then for BSD is actually another Unix system that was by that time was funded by the US military because they want a Unix system, and then some of the user and developer find that actually they can by replacing some of the code inside the original BSD system, they can create a free operating system. But then they got into copyright problem with the original copyright owner, and so both of those projects have problems. 咁其實咧，當時都有好多唔同嘅人想搞啲呢個系統啦，電腦嘅系統啦，咁譬如 GNU 啦，咁但係佢係寫咗好多嘅基本嘅嘢，而 Linus Torvalds 都係用緊嗰啲好基本嘅嘢，譬如啲C compile 啊、GCC 啊，咁都係用緊嘅。咁但係咧佢淨係爭最中心核心嗰部分咧嗰個 operating system 嗰個 kernel 啦。咁同埋咧 BSD 係另一個即係美國嗰陣時軍部俾緊錢佢做嘅。咁但係佢有啲用戶咧發覺，咦，我哋可以自己寫啲嘢，咁就可以replace 咗佢，變咗一個可以即係大家分享嘅系統。咁但係做下嗰陣時咧，就因為呢個版權嘅問題咧，就喺個官司中間喺度搞下咁。而頭先講嗰本書咧，嗰本講 operating system 嗰本書，其實嗰個作者咧，佢自己都搞咗個 system 叫 Linux 嘅。但佢咧就好堅持，就話呢個系統咧只可以攞嚟做教育用途。有啲人就話可唔可以攞嚟做商業用途？可唔可以俾我改咗佢嚟做其他嘢？佢話唔得嘅。咁所以咧，當 Linux 出嚟嗰陣時，人話終於有個系統可以攞嚟即係入用啦。咁跟住咧咁於是咧 Linux 咧就係Linux software 咧就係吸引咗喺 Linux 入邊嗰個群體咧嚟到去幫佢嚟到去一齊開發呢個Linux 呢個系統啦。Okay, so the last one is actually Linux. Linux is actually a more advanced system than the original Linux, but the problem is licensing scheme, which means it's only for education purpose, but you cannot use for any other purpose. And the Linux community, a good number of people asked for a different licensing scheme, but it was rejected. And so Linux software sort of you can say hijack the community, and it's very important that Linux actually use another licensing scheme. Okay, so this is this one.
Are you still happy with the license, or do you think it needs an upgrade, or do you regret having chosen the GPL back then?
I'm very happy with the GPL. The reason, the original Linux license, I don't know how many people know this, probably most. I did not actually start out with GPL. I started out with my own personal license that I wrote that was like one paragraph, and the license, I have it somewhere, but it basically said you can charge no money for this, you have to give source code back, and that was it. And it was not a license that would probably ever stand up in court, or at least it wasn't well known. And then the no money can change hands turned out to be a problem very early on. Even in like early '92, you had small distributions that would copy floppies for people at Unix users groups or selling them in Byte magazines or something like that. And they wanted to charge like $5 for the service of copying 2 or 4 or 12 floppies at that time. And they said, I really need to charge money for this because it's my time and my floppies. And so in '92, I said, okay, I will change the license. I looked around, and I thought the GPL version 2 was exactly what I was looking for, saying that I give this out because I like doing it, but I want people who make changes and improvements, I want those changes and improvements to come back to me under the same license. And I think it's a very fair license. I think it's a license that is also very successful. And I think it's something that really speaks to people at a very deep level, the whole fairness notion that I give you something, you give me something back. And I'm very happy with the license. It's worked pretty well.
Yeah. Are you still happy with it?
So this actually points to the importance of today's theme, free software. That actually this is why a very important reason why Linux becomes successful. 咁今日咧叫做軟件自由日啦。咁其實咧都同 Linux 點解咁成功係有關嘅，因為咧佢係嚟到幫助到嗰個嘅嗰個 project 咧嚟到去成功，令到大家覺得參加嚟到去參加呢個嘅 project 咧嚟到去分享佢嘅意見咧係有保障嘅，係啦。咁咧就其實呢個 free software 有啲咩嘅原則咧？其實有4大原則，其實好簡單啫。第一個咧就係你可以 攞個 program 嚟到去執行，另外一個咧就係、你可以打開個 program 睇下入邊係做啲咩，你又可以改佢啊，諸如此類咁樣。其實係啦，咁呢個就係頭兩個原則啦，好簡單啫。So there are four principles and they are really simple. One is you can run the program that you got, and then you can study how it works. You can open up the source code and change and read and do whatever you like. Okay. And then the next one is 咁第二個咧，其實就係、除咗你自己之外咧，就講翻個群體啦。咁個群體咧就係、你有嗰個軟件咧，你可以攞佢嚟用咧，你個朋友你都可以俾其他人嚟用嘅。跟住你睇到佢入邊啲嘢咧，你改咗俾啲嘢，改咗嘅內容都可以俾你嘅朋友或者一啲甚至你唔識嘅人嚟到用嘅。So the next two principle is just a reflection of the first pair, but it's just about other people, about the community. So if you can run that program, your friends or other people even you don't know, they can run the program as well. So this is the principle, freedom number 2. And then the last principle is that if you change the program, you make the changes, you can use it, but you can share with others as well. So this is the fourth principle, really simple. And then the general public license that Linus Torvalds just mentioned, it is actually asks you to, the very simple principle is it asks you to share your changes. You have to share your changes. So that's of course technical issue about when you can share it, when you do not have to share it, but the simple principle is you must share it. 咁頭先Linus Torvalds頭先嗰位Linux 嘅作者嚟到講到話呢個 license 真係非常之好啦。咁佢就講緊呢個 license 其實加多一樣嘢就係你一定要分享你嗰個嘅改動係啦。咁於是咧就所以嗰啲改動咧就好容易大家即係集腋成裘咧，就令到呢個 project 咧就越嚟越變大啦。係啦。咁其實究竟個 project 有幾大咧？Okay. Okay, so we have from 100 developers to 1,000, and then we have, and then the line will also grow from 250,000 lines to 14 million lines, and then many I think actually most supercomputer nowadays use Linux. 咁呢個頭先都係一啲嘅簡單嘅數字啦，嚟到去講到即係 Linux 而家係點啦。譬如由Linux 自己一個去到即係1998年有100個，到而家差唔多多過1000個嘅作者嚟到一齊嚟到去幫手開發啦。咁同埋咧都好多嘅超級電腦咧，差唔多絕大部分最頂尖嘅超級電腦其實都用緊 Linux 嘅。咁我想呢一個嘅叫做 infograph 啦，咁係其實網上有嘅，咁入邊都有啲好有趣嘅嘢。This infograph is available on the web, and there are a number of funny statistics about who's using which distribution and stuff. But one thing I want to talk about is the biggest challenge, about fear. OK， 咁咧就其實咧今日咧就唔夠時間講晒呢個圖像入邊嘅嘢啦。咁但我最想講咧就係左下角呢個關於最大嘅挑戰，就係咧其實咧好多人仍然係驚用Linux 或者一啲自由軟件嘅。係啦，咁呢啲嘅驚慌其實都好正常，因為你發覺咦點解有啲嘅軟件係完全唔使錢？咁係咪質素好差㗎？即係特別係一啲嘅做緊自己係即係寫緊 program 嘅人啦，咁佢都會話：咦，咁我日日收緊人工，咁寫軟件其實都知係即係一個辛苦嘅工作嚟嘅，即係唔係咁容易寫到一個好用嘅軟件嘅。咁成 team 人都夾埋都要使好多錢先寫到嗰啲嘅軟件出嚟，咁點解有啲可以免費嘅軟件周圍出現㗎？咁 咁究竟係佢質素差，定係咪有啲嘅即係奇怪嘅陰謀啊？咁另外一個都係諗，哇，原來可以咁平就做到啲軟件，咁係咪即係話我嘅人工會係咁降低嘅咧？咁其實係一個錯覺嚟嘅。咁因為咧，其實佢哋冇諗到，其實有啲軟件寫出嚟可以解決一啲好多嘅問題，咁而可以即係好多間公司一齊用嘅時候咧，咁嗰個成本就會降低，好多人一齊幫手做嗰陣啲成本就會降低啦。咁所以咧，其實如果做一個即係而家如果你係無論係寫程式嘅人啦，或者係用軟件嘅人都應該試下，原來透過合作就可以即係可以令呢個程式咧嘅價錢咧就降低嘅。Okay, so what's the fear? The fear is about especially for developers, they are earning a living from writing programs. They know that writing programs is difficult, hard work, and costs a lot of money. And then it really makes them think that why can something be free and have certain very good software quality? And then they also feel that if that's true, it doesn't mean that my salary is going to decrease or I have to lose my job. But I think one thing that they did not consider is about collaboration, because most companies actually they don't share the code. But actually, there's another way to do the whole development, because a lot of problems they are common to many people and many companies. So if most of those people use similar solutions, then the cost of development will drop. So I think if you are a developer or a user of software, that you should try free software today and see how the power of collaboration. Okay, so that's a really short introduction to Linux. And if today I'm not going to go into the details of what happened in all the years, and then I would recommend the kernel report and not the Linux conference version, but the Cost Cup version. Cost Cup is a major free and open source software event in Taiwan, and then they got the Jonathan Colbert, the head of Linux Weekly News, to go over to Taiwan and present, and that got more information on the history of Linux, and also what I just played before, the Linus Sovo interview is also really good. And if you want to read about the history more, then that's the book, Just for Fun. And so these are the resources that I would recommend you to have a look if you want to know more. 係啦，咁如果大家想知多啲，因為其實今日咧都係講得好簡單啦，咁其實咧都有以上嗰啲嘅資源咧，大家可以去睇嘅。係啦。So I will give the time to Sammy. Yeah, and talk about okay, look, unconference. Okay, so we also have an unconference, and in another room. So if any one of you want to share about your own project and your own interests, we have another room for unconference. 咁其實咧，我哋除咗係呢間房之外咧，我哋咧都 book 咗另一間房，可以俾大家嚟到去做一啲即時嘅分享嘅，係啦，或者叫 unconference 英文係啦。咁咧就係啦，咁有張紙傳緊嘅，咁就可以睇下大家邊個想即係即時分享咧，都可以做得到嘅，係啦。
我就最近就翻咗一個 Hong Kong Python User Group， 咁就都係時候啦，因為都好多人問點解香港咁多 programming 嘅 User Group 就係冇 Python User Group。咁Hong Kong Python User Group 就上個月啱啱翻咗，咁我哋而家仲係啱啱開波嘅階段，咁我哋就其實想今日就想簡單介紹一下我哋到底有啲咩成員，同埋我哋想做啲乜嘢，同埋咧就係研究下有冇機會就係利用 Python 去喺香港推廣programming 呢個 activity as a hobby， 咁就可能喺啲中學或者大學推廣下，咁樣睇下大家有啲咩意見，咁就個 unconference 係幾點啊
生嘅。
4:5至到4:10，咁就喺隔離房嘅。咁有興趣就過嚟揾啦。
咁唔該 Jimmy 先。咁就Jimmy 哥咧就係一陣間有個 short break 之後嘅。咁就 short break 之前咧就有另外一位阿 Eddie 係啦。
大家好啊，我係 Andy 啊。Maybe I speak in English. Actually, HASP is a programming language that I have used since the past years, which I think is quite interesting. It's like Java that it can publish to multiple platforms, but it's not running a VM. It's actually compiled to other language, like compiled to C++, compiled to PHP or JavaScript. So you can actually use it on web page or in the server backend. So yeah, it's pretty interesting. The syntax is like JavaScript. It's EMAScript based. And recently it's quite popular among the Flash community because it's designed to replace ActionScript 3 from some open source developer. So you can attend my session and see if it's interesting and then we can have a meeting at the rest of our leader. I will be there too. So yeah, that's it.
之後咧就BOF session 就係話新年係咪有個題目咁樣？
我廣東話同中文應該都講啦。咁我個 topic 就係OpenJDK Haggen。咁OpenJDK 係OpenJDK 7啱啱出咗，咁我想用呢個 opportunity 介紹，即係 show 一下點樣去 hack 個 code，因為個 source code 都比較複雜，咁唔係個個人有經驗嘅，咁係希望多啲人去盡量去 hack 下嗰個OpenJDK，咁我就會介紹一下究竟 OpenJDK 嗰啲 source code 點 compile 啊點樣 work。So my both is going to be about OpenJDK 7. So I want to show people sort of how OpenJDK is being put together, how you compile it and start hacking, because I want more people to actually take a look and contribute to the project. So I'm going to use this opportunity to actually show you what is it all about. Okay.
係啦，咁個 BOF 就係7:30嘅。咁仲有BOF 另外仲有個團隊嘅係啦。
咁我就嚟自 LibreOffice 正體中文團隊啦。咁我其實喺香港就負責即係推廣工作啦。咁其實而家成個 team 咧，大約30零人啦嚇。咁其實香港人得2個啫，其實啊。咁另外一個係即係外地學生咁樣，其實大部分都係台灣人。咁最近我諗，如果喺佢 Facebook 啊或者其他嘅 forum 啊，都講即係都知道咧，其實我就即係用我自己嘅名義咧申請咗 Love Ideas 啦。咁其實成功咗㗎啦。咁其實已經而家開始緊嗰個嘅推動工作啦。咁所以其實今日嘅 BOF 咧可以係都有機會同大家去 share 翻，其實嚟緊即係 LibreOffice 喺香港，其實我哋會點樣做呢啲推廣工作？都希望透過過程裏邊咧都有認識多啲朋友一齊去做推廣工作。我哋希望即係因為大家都知道 OpenOffice 自從即係 Oracle 即係收咗之後，跟住唔知點啦嚇。咁但係唔理佢跟住點啦。咁 LibreOffice 咧，其實我哋自己有我哋嘅方向，跟住點樣去即係推廣咧咁樣。咁喺而家嚟講根本上冇乜人識嘅。咁但係我都希望喺個過程裏面咧係多一啲其他嘅學校啊，或者其他嘅社團啊，或者甚至商業機構咧有機會係多啲用咁樣。咁一間喺 BOF 嘅時候再大家詳細啲傾嚇。多謝大家。